Module 5, Independent Challenge 2. This will be saved as ILWD5 Literacy Blog. Select where it says by your name and actually type your name. And then there will be 5 instances of green text, and you are going to replace that with a hyperlink and also include a screen tip. So the first one, select it, right click, and click link. And the first one will be a hyperlink, so you'll use existing file or web page, and then you'll type in the web address. And then you can go right to screen tip and type in the screen tip. Go ahead and finish the screen tip, OK, and OK, and you can see that it's changed to a hyperlink, and if you hover over it, it has the screen tip information. So continue doing that to the other 4 in green, change them to hyperlinks. Test each link to make sure they work, and to do that, hover over, hold Control, and click, and it should take you to the website. So go ahead and check that for every single link. If there are any, it doesn't work for some reason, you would go, you would right click, choose Edit Hyperlink, and make sure that your URL address is correct. So you would double check that. And the same thing if you need to make a change or correction in the screen tip, you go right in here. So if any of your links do not work, go ahead and edit to double check. For education news, I'm going to use from the Home tab, Style, I will use Subtitle. For the Power of Literacy, I will use Title. And for my name, I will use Intense Emphasis. And then for the Design theme in Document Formatting, I'll click the down arrow to see more options. And I'm going to go with this one right here, so that it's centered and has a line above and below the title. And then if you'd like to go into themes and change a different shading or coloring or font, you can choose anything you like. If you don't like the colors, you can go into the colors and change anything you'd like. And then the next thing you'll do is select the bullets. Instead of the default solid bullet, you could go to Define New Bullet. And for the bullet, I'm going to select a picture, and because it's literacy, I'm going to look for books. And if you want to make the book picture larger, click one of the bullets, and then you can increase the size of it. And then do the same thing for bullets on the bottom. And again, if you'd like to select the same bullet or go into Define New Bullet, and I just wanted to share with you, I did picture, but if you go into Symbol and then click the font style, and there are other pictures under what's called Webdings. There, Webdings, and there are pictures in here as well. It took me a while to find it, but I knew there were books in here as well, so you can click OK. And then if you want, here's a preview of it, you can actually change the color of the books. So maybe dark blue or purple so it stands out. There's your sample, and click OK. OK. And again, if you want to make the book picture larger, just click the bullet and you can make it larger. And then you can select View, Multiple Pages. just to see that it falls nicely. So I see that literacy and poverty should be a heading on the top page. So if you want, click to the left of it and Control Enter will force it to be on a new page. And if you'd like to, you can go into design, you can add borders, and I'm pretty sure there's a page border that's booked. There was a book and not a book, a pencil and paperclip and a CD. So I went with the design and I'll change the color, and you can make it larger if you want. And then okay, and you could want to add page color. You're welcome to do that. And if you don't like the colors, you can go to more color and select a different color. Trying to click page color, and there you go. And that's the save and submit. You do not have to save it as a PDF file, just the Word document's fine, and upload. Thank you.